morning everybody. Today I want to discuss about the writing chemical formula. How we can write the chemical formula. So before the valency and we cannot write the chemical formula. If we know the symbols, we can write the chemical formula. So before writing the chemical formula, I want to discuss the valency of cations and valency of anions. What is chemical formula? Actually chemical formula is of any compound is a symbolic representation of its composition. So today I want to start the chemical formula. So let's do. What is chemical formula? First we'll write the definition of chemical formula. Chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its composition. And the chemical formula of compound can be written easily if we know the valency and symbol of the element. So we can write that also. The chemical formula of a compound can be written easily if we know the symbol and valency of the element. You know what is the valency? Valency is the combining capacity of the element. So first of all, before we can start that chemical formula, before that I want to discuss the chemical formula of the compound, maybe molecular formula or maybe molecular compound or maybe ionic compound. Before that I want to discuss the cations or valency chart. So if you have written, it's alright. If you are not written, please pause the video and write it. Now I want to discuss the valency chart of cations and valency chart of anions. So let's do valency chart of some positive ions. Positive ions, what are positive ions? Positive ions are known as cations. Okay. First we will write the monovalent cations. Do you know what are monovalent cations? Monovalent cations are those elements whose valency is 1. So here we will write valency equals to 1. Here we will write the name of the element, here symbol of the element. So first let us start. First is potassium. Potassium is monovalent and its symbol is K positive. Then sodium, it is also monovalent, its valency is 1, Na positive. Then ammonium. Ammonium is an polyatomic ion, its symbol is NH4 positive. Hydrogen is H positive ion. Then silver, silver Ag positive, mercury and copper. Actually mercury and copper has variable valency. Do you know what is variable valency? If an element show more than one valency, then it is said to be variable valency. So it has two valencies. Mercury has two valency 1 and 2, and copper has also two valency 1 and 2. So in front of the element we will write its valency, like mercury will write first valency 1 and copper valency 1. In Roman number we will write. So the name of that substance mercury, we can write here mercurous, okay, and Hg positive. This is the symbol of an element. Then copper is cuprous and its symbol is Cu positive. After that we can start the divalent cations. Divalent cations. Divalent cations are those cations whose valency is 2. So we can write the valency equals to 2. Okay, and if we want to just to discriminate these ions whose valency is variable, so we can write or we can draw here asterisk or we can draw the star here. So according to that we can determine this is the variable valency. Okay, it shows mercury and copper shows the variable valency. Okay, now we will write that name and symbol, name and symbol of the element. So you know that divalent compounds, divalent elements are those whose valency is 2. So we can write there magnesium, Mg 2 positive, calcium Ca 2 positive, then manganese Mn 2 positive. Manganese also show the variable valency. Okay, so we can make here a star and that is known as Magnus. So we can write the name of the cation Magnus, MANNOUS, that is Magnus, and in front of the element we will write in Roman number its valency. It shows its valency second, 2 valency will be there. Okay, its valency is 2 and 4. Okay, now next we can take zinc, iron, zinc Zn2 positive, then iron Fe2 positive. Iron has also variable valency, so we can make a star here. Okay, and here we can write ferrous. Okay, so ferrous is the name of this ion. Okay, and Fe2 positive is its symbol. Now next we can take lead, platinum and copper. So lead, sorry, we can take the next lead and copper. They have also variable valency. So first we will write here, we will make the star here. Copper has also variable valency. Copper has 1 and 2 valency. So in front of the copper we will write second. In front of the lead we will write second. Okay. And in front of copper we can make a star or streaks which show that it shows the variable valency. And the name of this element is, lead is there, so plumbus. Plumbus is the name of this cation. And here cupric. Cupric is the name of this cation. Okay. Because one valency we have written here, this is cuprous, and second valency is cupric. Okay. So the lower valency is known as that cuprous, ferrous, here mercurous we have written here, mercurous. Okay. And the second, that higher, is the cupric, ferric, like that. Okay. Now we can write the another examples like mercury and platinum. So we can write here mercury, platinum has also variable valency. Okay, so we can make a star, platinum. It has 2 valency and 4 valency. And mercury has also, we have written here 1 and 2 valency. One we have written mercurous and second is mercuric. Okay. So second valency is there. So in front of the mercury we can write the valency. Here platinum we can also write valency. And here name of the element, here we will write symbol of the element. Okay. So mercury symbol H is the 2 positive and platinum Pt 2 positive. Okay. Now the name of this ion is mercuric ion, and this one platinous. Okay, platinous ion for the platinum. So you can learn these cations whose valency is divalent. After that we can take the trivalent and tetravalent. Tri means whose valency is 3 and tetra means whose valency is 4. So if you have written, write it, otherwise pause the video and write these notes. Okay. Now we can take the next valency, 3 valency, that is trivalent cations. Okay. Trivalent cations are those cations whose valency is 3. Okay. Now we can write the symbol of the elements and name of the elements of trivalent cations. Have you remembered the trivalent elements? Iron is trivalent, aluminium is trivalent, gold is trivalent, and chromium is trivalent. So let's write aluminium, Al 3 positive, then chromium is also trivalent. After that iron Iron has variable valency, so we will write here, we will draw the star here because it has variable valency. Its valency is 2 and 3. So, we will write here 3 in Roman number, and the symbol is Fe3 positive. Okay, so aluminium, chromium, iron, and last one is gold. Gold is Au3 positive. Its name is auric. Okay. Now we can take the tetravalent cations, and if you are not written, please pause the video and write all the examples written by me. Okay, and learn these examples also. Now the valency is 4. We can take the next cations whose valency is 4. These cations are known as tetravalent cations. So, you can write here tetravalent. Tetra means 4. Okay. So, tetravalent cations. If we will take all the 4 tetravalent cations have the variable valency 2 and 4 most probably, like manganese 2 and 4, platinum 2 and 4, then lead 2 and 4 valency, and tin 2 and 4 valency. So, we will write this, let us write, and we will make this also we will make the star for them because these have variable valency. So, we can take manganese, is Mn4 positive, and the name of this element is magnic. Okay, and in front of the symbol or in front of the element we will write its valency in Roman number like that, and make a star here that it shows it has variable valency. Okay. Next we can take the another example, platinum and lead. So, we will write next platinum Pt4 positive. Here we will write the valency 4, and the name of cation is platinic, or we will make a star here because it shows variable valency. Next we can write lead Pb4 positive. It has also variable valency, and we can make the star here because it shows variable valency, and the name is plumbic, because plumbus has two valency and 4 valency, plumbic. Now next is tin. We can take the next example of tin, Sn4 positive, and we will make the star here, and name is stannous. Okay. So, name of the cation is not stannous, 2 valency, its name is stannic, because it has 4 valency, and we will write the valency in front of the element in Roman number. So, here also we will write 4, here also 4. Okay. So, it shows its valency. Okay.